Hello children, I am Miss N. Kandulna and today we will cover the topic cursor control key. Before starting that, first we will know what is cursor. So children, when you are trying to write some text on a computer screen, you will see a small blinking line on the screen. This is known as cursor. Now we will see page number 29, cursor control keys. These keys are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. They are marked with arrow in 4 different directions. We can also call them arrow key. So children, you can see at the right side of your book there is a 4 different arrow key. Left, right button, upward and downward. So now we will see the use of left arrow key. Now you can see in the first screen the cursor is at the last of the alphabet R. The position of the cursor is in the last of the alphabet R. When we are pressing the left arrow key, it will move the cursor to the left. Now you can see in the second screen, the cursor is in between the alphabet O and R. So, the left arrow key is used for move the cursor to the left side. Now we will see right arrow key. Now you can see the cursor is before the alphabet C. The position of the cursor is before the letter C. When we are pressing the right arrow key, it will move the cursor to the right side. Now in the second picture you can see the cursor is in between C and U. So right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right side. Now we will see the use of up arrow key. So children, you can see in this first picture the cursor is in between the letter C and O in control. So we have to move the cursor to the upward direction. So what we will do? We will press the up arrow key. When we are pressing up arrow key, it will move the cursor to the upwards. Now you can see in this second picture that the cursor is in the letter cursor, in the word cursor, and it is in between the alphabet C and U. So this arrow key, upward arrow key, is used to move the cursor upward. Now we will see down arrow key. Children, you can see the position of the cursor now is in between U and R, and when we are pressing the down arrow key, it will move the cursor to the downwards. Before that the cursor is in between the word cursor, but when we are pressing it, it will come downward to the word control. You can see the cursor is in between O and N. So this down arrow key is used to move the cursor downwards. So we are covering this topic, cursor control key. There is 4 different arrow key, and these arrow key are used to control the cursor. Thank you.